Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in today. Working on that 62 Thunderbird. Getting some progress done on it. So, interesting thing, I wasn't even planning on putting this car together. I mean, it's in a box with no cover, so I don't even have the box to really put it in. It was still in the bag. I don't know how it got to this point where it got moved, or I don't know what happened to the box. I don't know. So anyways, the only reason I guess I got on it was I bought the MCW paint and I wanted to try it on something. And I mean, there's a lot of other kits up here that I've really been wanting to build, but I didn't want to mess them up, you know what I mean? I thought, I've never tried this paint. You know how it goes. I'll try it. And I figured, hey, if it don't turn out, okay, I'll strip it down somehow, and because I don't know if this stuff works in the purple pond or not, so I figured I'll try it. But lo and behold, it turned out pretty nice. I figured, hey, I might as well finish the rest of it and go from there. I'll spin this around and I'll show you what we got going on. Hold on. This is where we're at. I am ready to paint the interior. I have the chassis somewhat put together, the steering and all that good stuff. And like I said, I'm ready to paint the interior. So you know the color of the car is that blue. And I'm just looking, I thought, I bought these paints last weekend, the Mr. Color. And I thought, you know, these look pretty cool. So I got this guy here. So I'm thinking, you know, I think this look good with the blue that the car is. And I was going to paint it the tan color to go with it. And as I'm looking, I thought, I don't know if that'd look that good. And I bought this other color. And I thought, you know what? I know back in the day they used to use those weird colors together. The camera really doesn't show up. This is like almost like a sea greenish blue color. I mean, it's a pretty cool looking color. So I got thinking, maybe I can do the seats, like maybe the outside of the seat, the outside of this in this color, and then the inside this color, and leave it maybe a little more glossier for the vinyl type look. And same as the door pads, or the door panels I should say, just do these all in this blue here. That's kind of my thought. Or instead of using this color, do it in white, because that would look pretty sharp too. Let's see, hold on here. So I got everything else on trees painted. So I cheated this time around and just used the old Testors spray cans, which, you know what, these work amazing. I love them yet. But the interior, I'm gonna airbrush that and go from there. So the engine's sitting there, and that's all cured and whatnot. Other than that, I think that's what I'm gonna do, is paint them either one of these two colors. It's definitely getting the light blue. I really don't know on the other blue. So, you know, I'm just sitting here chomping on my share bag of Skittles. You gotta do purple bag. There's nothing like purple bag. I don't care what anybody says. That's the best. So as I'm sitting there eating my Skittles, I'm thinking, man, I just don't know which way to go with this. So I think I'm gonna paint that light blue first, and I will let it set and I'll think about it. So that's where we're gonna go. So I think I'll get that mixed up, fire up the airbrush booth, and go from there. So I want to show you on my booth here. Take a little step around. So when I use my paint booth, I actually put paper lining in here. It's actually a plastic. It's this here, the Glad Press and Seal. So I've been doing this for a while with this booth, and the cool thing is when I take this off, it's still brand new looking on the bottom. And the nice thing about that press and seal is that it has a light adhesive on the back side. So it's actually sticky, so it sticks to it. But after some solvents and whatnot gets in here, it starts to lose its hold. So that's when I'll change it out. But I'm telling you, I mean, it'll keep the booth looking nice for a long time. I think it works pretty good. So, my little tidbit of the day. Okay. I'll shoot some color and we'll see what it looks like in the end here. Alright guys, you know, sometimes airbrushing can be a little bit of a pain, you know, just the cleanup in the end. I'm telling you what, you just don't get the look from spray can or anything that you do from airbrushing. If I can get it to focus on it. It just looks nice. And the nice thing is, Mr. Color's lacquer, so I mean the stuff's already dry. So now I can decide on my two-tone side of it. But I'll do that another night. So we're probably going to wrap this one up for today, and I'm really debating if I should do the sea green in there or white. Not sure. It'll look really good two-toned, obviously. So, alright, I guess we're going to wrap it up from here for tonight. And hopefully next video we can get pretty much wrapped up. Not sure yet. Once again, thanks for watching. And hey, hit that subscribe button. Put a like on there and some comments. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching again. Have a good one.